Students, I hope you all are doing well, doing great in your homes. Alhamdulillah, I am very much fine. Okay, so in the previous lecture we started a topic that was the HTML images. Okay, so we discussed that how we can create the images in HTML using the img tag. We also discussed how we can perform some of the styling on the images, and we also discussed how we can adjust the image size, and also we discussed that how we can align our image. Okay, so these are the things that we just discussed in the previous lecture. Today we are going to discuss that how we can set the background image. Okay, so we can set the background image for every HTML element. Okay, so for example, if you have a group of paragraphs on your web page, you have a group of headings on your web page, so you can set the background image for every element. Okay, understand? So now let's start the today's topic, and let's see how we can set the background image for of the complete whole web page. Okay, for this we will specify the background image in the body tag. Understand? So as you can see, I have already opened the notepad plus plus, and I am writing over here the background for specifying the path where the image has been placed. Okay, so I am opening the folder where all the images have been placed, and I am copying this path from here and pasting it over here. Okay, so now this is the image folder. After this I have to give the name of the image as well as the file format. For example, I am writing here 2.png. I am using this image. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser, and let's see that how this particular thing is working. Okay, so now I am opening the file from the desktop. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. Okay, and this is the file. Okay, so वाई ओके एज यू कैन सी आई हैव जस्ट इसको मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा जूम इन किया हुआ था, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वॉज नॉट डिस्प्लेइंग मी व्हेन आई डिड जूम आउट. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज़ द बैकग्राउंड इमेज, बट द बैकग्राउंड इज़ रिपीटिंग. सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम and we have to overcome this problem. So there is a css property that we can use for to overcome this issue. Okay, what is the property? Okay, so we have to apply some of the styling for to overcome this issue. For this we have to use the style attribute over here. Okay, so now let's use the style attribute over here. Okay, so we have to use the css property over here to overcome that issue. Okay, so which css property I am using here? I am using the property that is the background repeat. Okay, so now we have to write the value of this property, that is the no repeat. Don't want to repeat the background. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output, that how this particular property of css is working. So now let's save this and reload it. As you can see now हमारे पास जो background है that is not repeating. Okay, but this background is not displaying over the whole web page. Okay, for this we have to use another property, that is the background size. Okay, because I want to see this background over the whole web page. Okay, so I am using the background size property, background size. Okay, so value इसकी हम देंगे 100%. Percent is the unit. Okay, again. Okay, so why I'm writing here 2 times 100, because we have to set the size for the width as well as for the height. Okay, so let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so now let's reload it from here. Oh, where is the image? Okay, so if you zoom in, अगर आप zoom in करेंगे, you will see this background that is somehow stretch. Okay, why? Because I have set the size as 100% for the width and 100% for the height. Okay, so that's why इस तरह की इमेज जो है हमें डिस्प्ले हो रही है. फॉर ओवरकमिंग दिस इशू व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू यूज़ अनदर एट्रीब्यूट. Okay, so what this attribute is basically, we have to use another attribute, that is the background attachment. Okay, when you will use this attribute over here. Okay, so let's see कि हमारे पास क्या होता है. So we have to write the property of this attribute, that is the fixed. Okay, ये property है. Okay, so we have to write the value for this property, as I write the fixed value for this CSS property. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output के अब हमारा जो है वो background किस तरीके से display हो रहा है. Let's reload it from here. As you can see कि अब हमारा जो background है वो बिल्कुल ठीक तरीके से पूरे वेब पेज पर डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, and that is not showing any issues. Okay, so इस तरीके से we set the background, and इस तरीके से हम लोग इन properties को यूज़ करके some of the styling करके हम लोग जो हैं इन issues को overcome कर सकते हैं. एक हमने issue जो resolve किया है, that was the repeating issue. Our background was repeating. For that we use the background repeat property of the CSS. After that our background was somehow stretched, okay, by using the size property. So we have to use the background attachment. Okay, for that we have set the value as fixed. Okay, so हमारा background जो है it is now not stretched. Okay, so ये बिल्कुल ठीक तरीके से हमारे वेब पेज पर डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. Okay, so I think that's it for today. So you must understand these concepts in detail. Okay, so आपको जो है simply अगर आपने कुछ चीज़ सीखनी होती है तो क्या होता है कि आपने जो है भाई उनको ख़ुद ही practically करके देखना होता है. If you will not try it practically, you will not understand clearly. Okay, you will not understand every single thing that I am teaching you. Understand? So you have to implement it practically. After that I am going to make sure that you will understand it. Okay, so but for now if you have any query you can ask from me anytime without any hesitation, but you have to promise me that you have to watch the video from start till the end. Understand? Otherwise you are not going to understand anything. Okay, but you can ask from me anytime without any hesitation, any query. Understand? So now I am stopping the recording over here. Okay, so let's stop the recording over here. I think that's it for today. So let's meet tomorrow in the next lecture, and तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. Take care. Goodbye.